everyone. Today we will make this beautiful pendant and earring set design.
For making this, I am using pearl cotton thread, and this is 4-ply cotton thread, fabric glue, 2 mm golden bead earring hook and jump ring, clip, starch, scissor, and 11 number crochet hook. First, I will wrap the thread over my sketch pen cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Now 1 chain, now 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we made 15 single crochet. Now connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now 1 chain, 1 single crochet in same stitch. In next stitch, 2 single crochet. In next stitch, 2 single crochet. So I will work 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my round. I have completed my 2 rounds here. Now for pendant I will work 1 more round, but in earrings I worked only 2 lines and then border, but in pendant I will work 1 more line. So in third round, 1 chain, in next stitch 2 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet. So I will complete my round by follow same pattern, 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet all around this ring and complete my round. Now I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the first stitch. By slip stitch. Now fourth round, 1 chain, in next stitch slip stitch, 1 chain, in next stitch slip stitch. So I will follow this pattern, 1 chain and 1 slip stitch in next stitch and complete my round. I have completed my round. In pendant I work 3 line and then border, but in earrings I work 2 line and then border. Now we will make leaves. Start with magic ring. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip first chain, in second chain slip stitch, In next chain, half double crochet. In next chain, 1 double crochet. In next chain, 1 half double crochet. In last chain, single crochet, stitch in ring. Now one more leaf. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip first chain in second stitch, slip stitch. In next stitch, 1 half double crochet. In next stitch, 1 double crochet. In next stitch, 1 double crochet. In next stitch, 1 half double crochet. In last stitch, single crochet. Now slip stitch in ring. Now one more ring, leaf. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Skip first stitch in second stitch, slip stitch. In next stitch, half double crochet. In next stitch, 1 double crochet. In next stitch, 1 half double crochet. In last stitch, single crochet, stitch in ring. I will cut the thread. Now make it tight. Here is our leaves. Now we will make a flower. Start with magic ring. Two chain, 1 single crochet in ring, 2 single crochet. So I will make total 10 single crochet in ring and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the second chain by slip stitch. Pull the thread. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, one more triple crochet in same stitch, two chain, pass through these two loops and slip stitch, one triple crochet in same stitch, and 3 chain, 1 2 3, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So this is our first petal. Now next chain, now next stitch, skip. In next stitch, move by slip stitch. 3 chain, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, 1 triple crochet in same stitch, 2 chain, pass through these 2 loops and make a little purl on top of triple crochet by slip stitch. 1 more triple crochet in same stitch, 3 chain, connect in same stitch by slip stitch. So I will complete my round by making total 5 petals. I have completed my round. Now I will cut the thread. This is our first layer. Now we will make second layer. Start with ring, 3 chain, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, 2 chain, pass through these 2 loops, make a little purl by slip stitch, triple crochet in ring, three chain, connect in ring by slip stitch. Like this. So I will make total 3 petals in ring and complete my round. I have made 3 petals. Now I will cut the thread tight. This is our second layer. Now we will make the center part of our flower yellow color from yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain, connect in ring by single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in ring by single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in ring by single crochet. So I will make total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in ring by single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in ring by single crochet. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect in ring by single crochet. Now I will pull the thread, cut the thread. This is our third layer. I already made two in pink color. These are the part of our design, so I will apply starch backside of these. Now I will paste my all parts on my base. Now second layer. Third layer. Now with leaves. Now I will add golden bead in center of our flowers. Now our design is ready. Let it dry. Now I will add jump ring. Here is our pendant, and I already made the earrings of this design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.